Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Acura MDX key fob battery. First, let's gather our simple tools. You'll need one new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt battery. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver or your key fob's emergency key on hand. A well-lit, clean surface will make this quick process even easier. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side or back of the fob. Press this button firmly and slide out the metal emergency key. Next, insert the tip of the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key was removed. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its holder. Pay attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upward. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear them snap securely into place. Next, slide the metal emergency key back into its designated slot until it clicks, ensuring it's fully seated. Finally, test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.